Busy gives you the ability to view daily, weekly, and monthly schedules on the web. The monthly view will show you the work scheduled for each day of the month. The monthly calendar can also be filtered using any of these filters to find the exact schedule item you're looking for, including by employee, employee group, position, project, cost code, equipment, type of schedule item, and by the color of the entry. These filters are available in the weekly and daily view as well. The weekly schedule view has some additional helpful information. By default, the weekly schedule is shown by employee, with the employees listed over here, followed by the total hours they're scheduled for during the week in the next column. If an employee has any scheduled time off, the number of days they have scheduled for the week is tallied here, followed by their scheduled work week. The weekly schedule can also be sorted by project. Any project with work scheduled is listed on the left-hand column, followed by the total hours scheduled for that project. And then the weekly schedule for that project is broken down by days. You can also sort the weekly schedule by cost code and equipment. Your daily schedule view breaks down the work schedule by hours for each day. Within the daily view, you also have the ability to quickly adjust each scheduled time by dragging the whole work entry up and down to adjust the time block, or by just using the arrows at the top of the box to adjust the start time, or at the bottom of the box to adjust the end time. Use Busy's daily, weekly, and monthly calendars to help keep track of your company's work schedule.